Hello guys, I'm reacting to my drawing YouTube channel. I love my drawing so much. It's as to the that is called dude. And don't hate me. I'm a little vlogger that I just want some likes and subscribers. Sorry for asking you to get me subscribers, but let's just continue.